I have a mystery that I'd like to solve in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong? There was a gas main explosion.
Yeah, you just keep believing that.
We built this system with satellites to control the weather. But someone has turned the system against us.
They're trying to change the map of the world.
3, 2, I've got you.
Tempestade, Planeta em Fúria, 19 de outubro nos cinemas.